What's up everyone, it's me Amir, welcome back to the channel. Today we're gonna learn to adding the textures on the text and create Inky retro style in Adobe Illustrator. So let's get into it. Alright, so the first thing I'm gonna do, I wanna activate the smart guide and create background with this rectangle tool over here. And then click the color palette layer to make it visible. Change the background color using a dropper tool and lock the background layer to make it haven't any movement anywhere. Next, click on the type tool and then I wanna type retro on here and grab text to the center and change the font with whatever you want to use. But in here I'm using Merylia, and if you want to get this font you can check in the link on the description this video. The next step is I want to change this one layer with alternate font. You can find in window, type and glyphs. Once you've done that, go ahead on window and press transparency and click make mask. And click in this black layer. And then open up the textures what they have. Let's copy and paste on this artboard over here. Make them bigger. And uncheck on this clip. You can adjust a little bit after the position was good and click on this layer over here. The next thing we're gonna do, let's go ahead on effect, distort and transform, select roughen, and you can adjust as you want it. And we did it. Thanks for all of you guys for watching this video. And if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment, so we can learn and growing up together. Keep adding your creativity into your daily life. Bye.